So what's the difference between passive income and get rich quick scheme? If you're smart, you're careful to separate the two. Here's the difference. Legit passive income provides value that isn't tied to your time. So how do you create value without sinking hours into the clock? Yep, say hello to location freedom, financial freedom, and schedule freedom. Today I'm going to share some passive income and side hustle ideas in 2024 using LinkedIn and how to make an extra 45K. It's not free money, but it's a way to create actual financial independence. Watch until the very end as I'll be reviewing the most lucrative of it all. One of my clients, Rebecca, recently made over $48,000 just through her side hustle while working 9 to 6 at Deloitte as an associate director, no less. And being a mom to twins, pretty impressive, right? So now let's get into it. Idea number 1, affiliate marketing. While direct selling on LinkedIn might not always be the best approach, hello social selling, embedding affiliate links within engaging content can make a lucrative opportunity. If you're already making great, highly engaged content on LinkedIn, why not monetize it? Not just content, you can literally put these links everywhere. Your website, about your tech tool suites, creator like me, or film gear like this at the amazing Amazon storefront, blogs, or even your email signature. The great part about affiliate marketing is you don't have to invest time to create the product because it already exists. You have just got to spread it to your network. Plus, setup is just one time and very quick. Start with the lowest hanging fruit like brands that offer great affiliate bonuses like Notion, ClickUp, Canva, Airtable, School. The payouts is usually via PayPal too, so which is super easy. Imagine someone click on your link from your post and decided to join that tool, and you will get that affiliate bonus usually less than 30 days. I tell you, pretty easy money. P.S. It's very different from sponsored content, which a lot of people confuse about, because sponsored content, it's original content that you make featuring a brand or product. Just looking at our very own business, we roughly get minimum of $1,000 up to $3,000 a year from affiliate marketing. I'll say pretty easy money for doing almost nothing and grab a whole month, maybe 5 months of grocery for free. Pretty good. Idea number 2, freelancing. While it depends on what kind of freelancing you're doing, just how passive this one is, it's worth mentioning as I've been personally had tons of clients achieve success with freelancing through LinkedIn. Hey, I've got this great idea for you. My friend who is helping B2B to run LinkedIn ads as a LinkedIn advertising strategist, you can typically earn around $2,000 to $5,000 per month as a part-timer. That's really amazing, right? And if you have never done that before and are interested in becoming a LinkedIn ads strategist, I've got a free comprehensive guide for a side hustler like yourself on how to do LinkedIn ads the right way. Take a look at HubSpot ebook, How to Run Successful LinkedIn Ads. This ebook is your crash course to get started on running effective LinkedIn ads, from setting up a LinkedIn business page for maximum impact to creating a targeted editorial calendar, all the way to more advanced strategies like budgeting and bidding, and optimize your future B2B clients' investment. Hello, value-based pricing model. More passive income in your bag, my friend. As a former LinkedIn marketing solution director, to take my own horn, I find their high conversion tips for various ad types particularly valuable because they really dive deeper into ways to make the most of your and yours clients' ad spend. I've put in the links in the description box below to download your free copy. Come on, we all make mistakes on our marketing journey, but with this ebook right here, you can start on the path of making advertising strategies your area of expertise. This resource was made by HubSpot, who is sponsoring this video. Thank you so much, HubSpot. Whether it's design, B2B copywriting, or consulting, there are great side hustle opportunities to be had. Watch this video, Most Profitable Coaching Niches on LinkedIn in 2024, and pick yours today. Idea number 3, the most untapped opportunity, LinkedIn Learning. This is a great side hustle, revolves around LinkedIn Learning. Leveraging LinkedIn native feature let you share your expertise by offering online courses, webinars, and more. As a LinkedIn official learning instructor, you can provide value to your network and earn income from doing a course for them and signs up. It's like being a full-time teacher but without having to conduct classes. Full transparency. My LinkedIn Learning course called How to Create Inspired Content on Uninspiring Days, literally a 10-minute full course, was made while working with an amazing LinkedIn Learning course creator team and being compensated with a 4-figure contract. And not just that, you will earn royalty along the way. There is a video of me walking through my learning of how to be a LinkedIn Learning instructor. If you're interested, check it out right now. Ideas number 4, sponsor content. This one is one of my personal focus. As of February 2024, when I'm filming this video, we have already earned over 6,800 just doing sponsor content on LinkedIn. I bet you didn't know brands pay creators on LinkedIn just to post. Okay, maybe you did know that. It's not like some big secret. Brands like Intel, Zendesk, Hootsuite partner with LinkedIn creator to feature their product in exchange for cash. So how do you get those sponsor content deals then, you might ask? As a smaller creator with less than 5,000 followers, you can still sign brands. Actually, one of my clients has a newsletter with only 5,000 subs, and he recently got a deal to promote a digital currency cold storage tool. And that is a 4-figure post. I would say really awesome. Brands like that want to rent your audience. So now, network and add people with titles like brand manager or partnership manager. And not to brag, I recently just signed a 4-figure deal just by posting 4 times. Idea number 4. Ebook and course sales. Building a community around your expert advice is fantastic, but remember to not give it all away for free. Creating a library of ebooks and courses that your audience can purchase is a great way to generate passive income. Check out Christian here, for example, who makes 6-figure a year using Maven to teach his online course. Plus, it helped him to get promoted at his full-time job as well. Idea number 5. B2B Consulting. Whether you're a seasoned consultant or just starting out, LinkedIn is really a great place to start cultivating a B2B consulting gig. First, it's really critical to define your niche, whether that's a strategic planning, marketing research, or process optimization. Most clients in the B2B world are really looking for a specialized expertise. And as always, it's about positioning yourself as a thought leader, subject matter expertise in that niche. So get making that valuable thought leadership content and build out your targeted network. Idea number 6, memberships, communities. So you've got your niche. Now, make a members-only community of it, where your audience gets to access to premium content from you, network with other students in the community, sign up for consulting services, and also get a chance to pick that giant brain of yours. Win, win, and win. You can charge a subscription fee for accessing your community. It doesn't just increase the dollar inside your pocket, but it also helps creating a sense of belonging within your audience too. Idea number 7, coaching. Next, the most important. Okay, maybe I'm biased since this is what I do, but it is about coaching. There's a reason 80% of my clients are in this space because it's a fantastic field. Career coaching, executive leadership coaching, life coaching, fitness, health coaching, you name it. If you're just starting out, start small, my friend. Ramp up to be a full-time coach before jumping ship from your regular gig. For example, start by offering one-on-one strategy call within your niche. It's an easy offer to set up. Just organize it on Calendly, collect payment, and boom, you're done. Some of my clients who started out with me charge from $250 per hour. Now they increase it all the way up to $1,250 per hour depending on their areas of expertise. Then you can add in smaller package like 4 weeks coaching bootcamp. The sky is the limit, really. A shameless plug though, my very own LinkedIn Mastermind, which runs from 6 months to 12 months. Do you want in and interested to learn more? Comment below the word Mastermind. Let me send you a behind the scene video of how exactly our LinkedIn Mastermind works. Alright, coming back to this. Group consulting is really a great way to maximize the passive income, as you can reach more people and subscription at once. Idea number 8, the most lucrative, corporate training. Finally, the one with the big bucks is not the easiest to get into, I have to say, but conducting corporate training pays off seriously so well. Companies often pay 4 to even 5 figures for corporate trainers to speak for an hour. Did I mention they love you? They will also put you on retainer, as most of these companies want a refresher every 6 months. So the more company you sign, the longer LTV, lifetime value. So insider, there you have it. 8 of the best passive income and side hustle ideas ready for you in 2024. Check out all the links in the description box below so you can level up your LinkedIn game even more. If there's something I teach today get you one step closer to being the CEO you desire to be, then I've done my job right today. If you love my video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. As of now, I cannot wait to see you same time next week. Bye for now.